Okay, we're good. Okay, let's see here. What do we got going on? We can add, well, Nick can add himself when he gets back here. I'll be back one sec, guys. Hey, I'll be back in one sec.
It's muted. I'm having all the testicle difficulties today.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, man. Start talking and mic is not on, and start the stream and it's not broadcasting anywhere. Talking about the blackout from last night.
Yeah. When you start it, right, and you go enter studio, right? And then on the top right corner, it says begin broadcast or something like that.
Yep.
Then you selected all the...
Yep.
Weird. Yeah, because, like, I don't know, my channel wasn't showing anything for some reason. Let me just see.
Yeah, when I looked at it after you said that to me, it wasn't on mine either. So.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Huh. So you were just streaming to...
to myself for the heck of it. Yeah, I mean, what the heck? Why not? I can review the video and see what kind of stupid mistakes I made. And yeah.
Oh, yeah, because it's
all good.
Oh, did you hit record or did you hit live stream?
I hit live stream.
Oh, that's so weird. Yeah, I don't know.
But it records automatically.
Yeah, it does.
I think it does.
Well, that part will be in the library.
All right. Well, great.
Hey, Keith. Good morning.
So my gold trade this morning ended up going. What was that?
I broke my rules this morning.
No, what'd you do?
I entered short in ES in the bed when it popped up. I made $100, but
all right. So you're just
yeah,
breaking rules and making money.
Not proud of it, but
I mean, you're not proud, but you're up $100. So what the hell, right?
And how did that gold? What happened with the gold trade there?
Up $480 on that one.
Very nice. Okay.
I was just trailing my stop loss pretty aggressively, so did
in your cash?
5 micros. What's that?
In your cash account?
Oh yeah, yeah. I still don't like trading gold in my prop accounts.
Yeah, no doubt.
I may today though. I may. We shall see. I may break my rules today too, Dave, just because I want to be like you.
So yesterday, when I streamed a little while longer, I don't remember how long after you left, but so
3 or 4 hours.
I took a short on gold, and then it literally went right to it went right to the line my exit line, my take profit. Like it printed I forget the number it was, but it was like a 0.4, and that's where I had my line. But it didn't fill my order for some reason.
That's because of the spread on it.
Yeah, okay. That's what I thought too, but I was like, it literally ticked me to the edge. Like edged me to the tick, sorry. Because like, the wick showed that it went all the way to my price, but it never filled. And then I was trying to drag my stop down, and it literally like kind of reversed in like 2 seconds. And then I ended up taking a full stop on that at 50. I lost $50 or $55 or something.
All right.
So yeah, it was annoying.
So in total you're up $50 between that trade and this morning's.
Oh, I did take one more NQ, and I made $25 on that trade. So I was down $25 yesterday in a different account. What a fun London session.
There was no London session. CME was down.
Czar's being sarcastic then?
Oh, no, it was great. I didn't have to look at anything. I relaxed. Started rereading The Best Loser Wins.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't have any trades or anything, but I was like looking at the charts. I'm like, why is nothing moving right now? I couldn't figure it out. And then, like when you go to TradingView, it'll say like markets open, that little green dot on the top. And it didn't have like the little red dot saying markets closed. It just said like no data. Just no data.
This morning I woke up to message upon message about cyber attacks on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
Mm-hmm.
And of course my butthole puckered up a little bit, but got down to the end of the messages, and then it was actually an HVAC problem. The data center overheated because blah 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 blah. I don't know why, but
yeah, that's crazy.
The 480 terawatts of power that it takes to run one of those data centers.
Yeah, that's an interesting situation, to say the least.
Yeah,
because you wouldn't.
I was wondering how it was going to affect the markets this morning, but it seems like it's just business as usual. Of course, it's pretty low volume being Black Friday and everything, but
yeah, are the banks open again today?
I believe so.
Closed again today?
I believe that.
I should say.
Yeah, the CBD on NQ is down at negative 285 right now. ES is positive though at 1600.
Yeah, I got mine at 1678.
$1,700. All right, it's looking like ES might be good for longs.
Yeah, it's kind of been holding this overnight VWAP, right? I gotta set up my VWAPs here actually on my New York.
If you would just go get your free account with Traders Post.
Yeah.
Use my favorite indicator, the midnight VWAP. Set it up once, put it on your trading view, and you're done. You don't ever have to do it again. It's gonna happen one day. You're gonna send me a message, and I'm gonna do a little happy dance.
I did it. That's weird.
Czar, did you sleep last night since you couldn't trade?
I thought you were going to say something about if you just hurry up and get a new coffee machine. because that thing's annoying.
Okay, that was your coffee machine. I thought it was one of the things in the house that I'm at right now.
Oops, just smashed my mic.
2-point spread on MNQ. I'm so glad I got this other laptop too.
You got your other laptop open?
Yeah. I forgot how nice it was having 2 screens there for a while.
Yeah. Especially since you got one, you might as well, right? Yes. Okay, so we got orders up at 48, 45. Oh, so I got some bad news about that lease.
Oh no.
Yeah, we took too long to get I took too long to get that indemnifier agreed, and then the lease was basically gobbled up. So it's that location's gone, which is really too bad because it would have been like the perfect, not the perfect, but it's a great location, being on super busy street right near the big mall in that city and right near the highway and everything. So sadly, that lease is gone. Well, I mean, and there's a chance they have till like, I guess, December 9th to back out. But I did find another location already that's like possibility. But yeah, it's just not quite as good of a location.
Gotcha.
But it
So
has
the owners of this place didn't decide that they were going to open up their own pickleball.
No. This is like a real company, not like a private owner.
Not some Chinese scam artist.
Yeah. And they never even responded to my follow-up email either. I was kind of like, I sent them an email like, hey, like, I understand you guys don't want to, what was it about my lease offer, right? That was kind of like the deal breaker. Maybe we can make some changes or something, and then just zero response too. So
yeah, it's because they realized they could make more money by taking your idea and implementing it in their warehouse.
Exactly. Yeah.
Those dirty dogs.
Yeah.
I do not like that, Sam. I am.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What asset are you looking at right now?
I'm sitting on ES for now.
Sitting on ES.
Yeah. But
I'm looking at gold. It's in that channel between midnight and New York.
Gold did pop up pretty nice since I don't know, when did you get in that trade?
40 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago.
Oh, because when it kind of opened back up.
Yeah.
Because it was like 8:55, it opened up, and then it was like green.
Yeah, it was about probably 15 minutes after it opened up. It wasn't right when it opened.
You saw it like,
oh wow, ES is looking nice. It's above both channels. I'm not putting in a long at this price though. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback.
We just printed a green ball at 68.38.75. Not exactly. Despite CME being down, I got to trade Eurex DAX, so it was a fruitful morning, and gold being great so far. Nice. So Zar's doing good. And he said 2-point spread in MNQ.
Yeah, I saw that.
2-point spread, eh?
I'm resetting my book map here. There's something funky going on.
Yeah. I left mine on since last night, and yeah.
All right, we're getting a pullback on gold as this ES is going up.
Sorry, what did you say there?
Getting a pullback on gold that's like equal to the the lift on ES.
I see that. It almost looks like exactly reversed.
Actually, the last 3 5-minute candles has been reversed.
Yeah. Yeah, since we had that, like the wick on gold is basically the wick on ES. It was like a drop that got bought up. 703. So I guess we're past our time. But yeah, it's holding really nice on that New York. All these 5-minute candles. Good thing we're not chasing it up there at 43 right now, though.
Yeah, I don't chase anything anymore.
NQ is looking, not too bad either. It's the thing I like about it is it's kind of like above previous day high. If it can hold up above the New York VWAP.
What was previous day high on NQ?
It is 25,376, and that was actually from Wednesday. Because yesterday they still printed as like after hours on TradingView, right?
Gotcha.
So I didn't have to move my volume levels. ES is just a little bit below, NQ just pulled a little bit below that. It's in between the two VWAPs right now. The start of day and the New York. So it did fall back a little bit there below previous.
Start of previous day, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, or the start of day from yesterday, I guess.
So yesterday's New York and today's New York.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Sorry. Right. that makes more sense. Even though I have it as
start of day yesterday, start of day today. Same time.
Oh, no. 1500 today. So it is 15. So it's 6 p.m. from last night. Whatever that one is. Sorry, I'm confusing myself here.
Czar's trading Eurex and the DAX.
I got my name on Austin's giveaway today. It's Friday. They always give one away, so.
Wow. Got a bunch of people in there.
Yeah. It's usually
put my name in there as well.
List. Nice. Good luck.
I've never won anything in my life, so.
Well, then you're due. We're kind of holding that point of control right now, too, on ES.
Where's the point of control?
That one is 68.37.25. Oh, shoot. This is a volatile candle. What do we got? Some news right now?
I don't know. It's green. It's red. It's green. It's red. It's getting dizzy. May throw up. Nothing's showing up on my news feed, so.
Must be a tweet. We'll get that in a second here.
No, not another one.
Yeah, that was some volatile chop right there. I took a one contract long here. I'm gonna put my stop below this. Down at
Funny,
30.
I just did the same thing. 68.41 with one mini.
Yeah, I did one micro, but 68.41 exactly.
Perfect. Hey, we're in the same trade finally.
Yeah.
In the same direction. That doesn't happen very often.
Totally.
All right, I'm just putting $400 in risk on this one.
And mine is like, what, 3 times 5 is 15, 1750.
Yeah, you're trading a micro.
Yeah. Ah, where are you going? Don't go down there.
Get back up there, you son of a dope.
I'm gonna put it to the bottom of this this wick.
I think I'm gonna let this one play out. It's on one of the larger accounts with a lot of drawdowns, so.
Oh, nice.
So I'm not. Well, yeah, I'm trading a mini, not a micro. So.
10x. I did add one, so I'm in two micros at 68.40.
You added into that when you were red?
Yes.
All right, just dollar cost averaging.
Yeah, I mean, I'm only in one, right? One micro.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I added one micro, so I'm like, whatever. You know what I mean? It's like it pulled back, and then it was kind of like holding that level. I was like, okay, well, I think this is an okay add. Still sort of in the plan.
It's in your plan and in your budget.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's
Are those your lucid accounts you're trading right now?
No, this is just my single 50K top one futures.
Gotcha. I cannot wait for top one futures to just onboard everyone for Trade-Evate Ninja Trader.
Yeah.
I'll get another top one futures account as soon as they do that.
Nice, yeah. And I'm assuming at some point they're just going to migrate us over, right?
Yeah, that was the news.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Austin was talking about that this morning about the just migrating everybody over in March. I believe it's March that they're doing that.
Okay. Similar.
All right, we got a little bit of green here.
Yeah, me too. Up $22. I got my TP just at 44, so that's 4 points. So that would be $40 winner in this 50K.
What's your average price?
68.40.
So you got 1 point better than me. You had to one up me, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to. That's why I had to add in there on that pullback.
All right, I see how it is.
Come on, let's take that. Don't be pulling back again now, you bugger. It's supposed to go straight to the TP.
It's gonna chop around a little bit. You know that.
I know, but I'm just saying, just be nice and just do it quick.
Just be nice. Tear our faces off going up. Yeah, Zara, I'm hoping it sells off a little bit more too, so I can get into another long position.
YM's looking pretty strong right now.
Gold is bouncing off that midnight VWAP, so 42.2150.
Oh yeah, I see that.
If I can come all the way back up to New York, Oof.
Yeah, so the good thing about this new location is it has a mezzanine already, so I don't even have to build one. So that's a pretty big savings. But it's like a long, skinny building, So instead of the other one would have been like 2 courts side by side and then 2 courts side by side, this one would be 4 courts in a row. So it's like 230 feet long, but it's a little skinnier. But it leaves a 20 feet space on the side of the courts. So I can set up ball machines with a net. So like it spits out the ball and you like hit it back at the net. Or I was thinking maybe even a skinny court. So it's like what if you were to play 1 versus 1 or a warm up court kind of thing. And yeah, just has lots of options for stuff you can stick down that side of the courts. So it's a bigger overall footprint, and it's actually going to be a little bit lower cost per square foot also.
Hey, just so you know, today is a short day.
Yeah.
12:15. Make sure all your positions are closed out so we don't lose any accounts.
That's 9:15, right? For me. So that because 12:15 East Coast, right?
Yeah. So it'd be 9:15 your time.
So we got 2 hours.
You have 2 hours and 2 minutes.
Yeah. Well, are we gonna
so
go
now
here?
You're behind the 8 ball. You got to make some money fast here, buddy.
Yeah. I added there. Added on this breakout. Let's see if we can't hit that TP. I guess I should be putting my stop up there or else I'm gonna get burned. It's typical. Come on, guys. Don't do it.
All right, I'm adding to it as well.
Almost there. Come on, go. There we go. I made $50. So I kind of doubled my profit with those add-ins.
I'm putting my stop loss into a profit of 75 right now.
Nice. So I ended up adding actually 2 contracts up there. So squeezed out a couple bucks more.
I added one contract to that trade, so
which is like 10x.
Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Now go.
Yep. All right, I made 75 bucks on that.
Nice.
Oh, and now it's gonna go higher. Great.
Yeah, of course. That's how it works. Typical. Oh,
Keith is done for the day.
Nice. He just whipped both of our asses.
Woo! Good for you.
Keith just closed $170, and here I am, 47. Woo! I mean,
yeah, I made
good trade though.
$75, not including the fees and commissions on that one. So.
Oh, and there it goes. Of course.
Yep, that's just how it's going to be today.
Yeah.
I think everything's going to line up to just try and piss me off this morning.
But it's not going to work.
No, it's not. I'm not going to get baited into that.
That was like yesterday's edging that I got there. I was like, I'm not going to let this affect any of my future trades. I was like thinking in my mind, like, you know.
Yeah, if you start getting angry, just walk away.
Yeah. And it was a small trade and a small loss. Like you can't, if you know, it's $50. It was like 55.
Yeah.
So it's like, I can't be upset about this, even if I wanted to be. But it just was like, I couldn't believe it. It literally, you know, like the wick went right to my line. It just didn't fill it.
All right, ES is going to just tear our faces off now. What the hell?
I guess so. Look at that. Look at that.
68.46. Is that correct?
Yeah, 68.46. Coming up to value area high and previous day high. They're at 47. That's funny. I just said that, and I heard Randy say, "Oh, 47. That's previous day high." I guess he's in I don't know if it's Austin right now that has it up, but one of them has it up. They're in along here, so 47.75 target. So It got like a little bit. Dow's a beast today. Yeah, I saw that earlier. I didn't look now. Oh wow, yeah. That usually happens when ES is looking better than NQ. That just means Dow's a beast on the day. Okay, well, they're both long actually. Austin was targeting 47.75, and looks like Randy's targeting like substantially higher. There must be some orders up there that he's playing off of. 6,900 maybe. He's up at 68.60 for his TP. So there is a bunch of orders there. 68.60. And we did print a nice green volume ball there on that last before that little pullback there. So in Zach's channel on Prop for Match, they had a little. Oh, there we just took previous day high. So he just said they had a poll. Do you think the CME shutdown is going to have a positive or negative impact on the market today?
I don't think it's going to have any effect on it. I think the trades are going to go exactly how they would have.
Yeah.
In any given Friday after Thanksgiving. I think people have started to realize that no matter what happens, the markets are going to continue doing what the markets are going to do, whether or not there's a stupid tweet from a political figure, if there's a power outage.
Yeah.
I mean, unless the Eastern Seaboard goes down again like it did in 2015, I don't think there's.
What do you mean Eastern Seaboard?
Oh wait, no, that was long before that.
Was that when the grid went down because everyone was running their ACs or something? It was too hot and everyone was running the ACs. Austin may have just
2003.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, northeastern United States and parts of Canada. It was August 14th, 2003. Left 50 million people without power.
Nice. That was an awkward time, I'm sure, for some people. Like, just your house probably gets so hot.
In the middle of August? Yeah, it would. All right, I'm stepping away. I need some coffee.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Well, there we go. Popping up again here, guys. Guess it should have been holding. So we got where's our opening range high here? This guy right here. So looking like it's holding it. Let's draw this line here. And opening range high. Oh, I never turned any music on, guys. Let's fix that problem. Dow's still just going straight up, hey? What do we? How many points do we have here from the low? 226 points.
Music licensing reimagined.
Artlist.io.
You heard that hit. So did they even do the draw today?
I don't know.
On ASFX? Because I didn't
Turn the sound down on them. I wanted to hear the hear what you're saying. I'm old, so whenever there's background music, I don't hear anything.
So weird, because like I didn't.
It's really frustrating for the people around me. So I heard you talking about the Dow ripping up, and I pulled open the Dow for the first time and further back than I can remember.
Yeah.
Why am I not trading the Dow today?
Yeah, I know
what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Like, look how clean it looks too, right? And looking like it's might even go higher here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Bum 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 bum. I like this little this is one of my newer songs. It's kind of sort of like a cross between elevator music and and sort of like jazz. Little jazzy lo-fi elevator music.
Gotta love that lo-fi.
All right, so we just broke back into the opening range high.
ES is pulling back a little bit as well.
Yeah.
Start looking for an entry right around VWAP.
We do have a bullish fair value gap right at the bottom of it's 42, the top of it's 42.50. Real small one, but on the 5 minute.
What are you looking at right now?
I just want to see how this what happens with this bullish fair value gap at on ES between 41.75 and 42.50. So we're kind of like just getting into it right now.
Getting a pullback on the Dow too.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
And that one's got a much larger fair value gap, obviously, on that last 5 minute candle, Randy B candle with the, not the last one, but the one before that. So the 10-15 candle. That's a pretty strong pullback on ES there. I don't know. Let's see. Seems like that fair value gap might be holding a bit though. We did print a red ball on ES also at 50 contracts at 42.75. Interestingly enough, is in that fair value gap. a sell ball though.
There is something to those fair value gaps. I just don't know what it is yet.
Yeah.
Music licensing licensing.
Well, definitely on
reimagined.
strong days, they tend to hold for sure. But I don't know. We're kind of like back in the range, so I wouldn't really give this one too much value. Ugh. Big yawn.
Artist.io.
Yeah, I kind of forgot to adjust my alarm. I had set it for like 6:30 because I was up late with hockey, so I wanted to the other day, and then I forgot to adjust it to like normally I'm up at like 6 or 6:15
Music licensing reimagined.
or 5:45. Depends on what time I get to sleep. I usually adjust it around that time. My eyes are like pretty dry this morning for some reason.
Stop smoking reefer in the morning.
Yeah, got that pasty red eye. Yeah, it was funny. I was watching. Did you see the Behind the Charts Mondays podcast?
No, I didn't.
It was kind of like an in-person one where they were at that event in LA. Was it in LA? I think it was in LA.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
And,
it was.
and then Thomas was like, "Yeah, I was sitting here. We were talking with Lawrence. Had a pretty deep, intense conversation, and then he's like, then I went and smoked a joint with him." And I was like, "Whoa, okay." And then he's like, "Yeah, and the conversation got so much even better." I was like, I wonder what that conversation sounded like from the outside. Like, yeah, dude. Beavis and Butthead one? No, I'm just joking. No,
No, people who smoke weed on a regular basis don't sound like that when they smoke weed. Most of the time, you can't even tell they're high.
Yeah, that's true.
Right now, I'm as high as a hoot owl. Can you tell?
Nope.
I'm not, actually.
I didn't think so. But
no,
that's
I
not
couldn't.
actually
Yeah, I like weed, but it hits me too hard.
Yeah, I would want to be in a pretty clear mind for trading, especially.
Oh yeah, making shit decisions on a chart doesn't sound like a good idea to me.
Yeah, that's that whole act like an adult thingy.
Yep. So my long got picked up on ES 68.43.50.
Yeah. I actually just went long on the break of the opening range high on that candle there. So a little bit risky up here, but I'd be
just
set
moved
right
my
now.
just moved my stop loss up into a $50 profit. See if this takes me out.
And initial balance just set, so
All right.
set my IB high there.
Tempted to pull out of this one before it gets pregnant. Before it hits my stop. Nope, I got stopped. All right, another $50.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what's the cost per point on the Dow?
It's like 50 cents. Yeah, I think so. Because yeah, it's $5 on the minis. Yeah.
Okay.
So 50 cents per point on
On the micro.
on micro.
What's the collateral on that?
That's a good question. I mean, it's only a 47,000. I mean, I guess that's pretty high.
Music licensing
The highest one. So I shouldn't say it's only. It's a $47,000.
So $47,000 in collateral for $5 per point. Sounds right.
Okay, yeah.
47, 748.
Artlist IO.
Come on, get us back up to the IB high here.
I tell you, I got an early execution on one of my
Licensing
options
reimagined.
Oh yeah,
on a spread.
what's
Yeah,
that?
I looked at my.
Today or
I'm sorry, what was that?
today or was that a previous day? A couple days ago.
It was yesterday in the morning. When I,
Yeah,
or no,
you
it was
did-
yesterday in the afternoon, not in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, I
No,
looked
then
at my account and I had a heart of stroke when it said negative $357,000. I went, to come again?
What?
Derp.
Oh my gosh.
I closed out the second leg of it and was only down like 2,000, so that worked out well.
Gotcha. Okay, I'm going stop to break even here. We're pulling up pretty nicely on this
Yeah.
long.
Music licensing
I'm gonna see if I can let this guy run. I'm only in one micro and one of my other instant funded accounts here, so see how it looks. It's looking pretty volatile in a good way. As long as she doesn't decide to just pull straight back.
Hey, just so you know,
Yeah.
Trader's Post has got a 40% off Black Friday thing going on
Huh.
now until the 29th. So just saying, use code Mustang and you'll get an, you know, oh no, you won't. You'll still get the 40% off.
40%
Never mind.
off. Yeah. And then I got
Sorry,
buy...
they literally just sent me an email about 30 seconds ago.
Oh, nice.
Hey, Ronnie.
There's Ronnie.
music licensing reimagined.
I tried to add there on that little micro pullback, and my order got missed.
It's not looking like a bad decision.
Yeah, I tried to just get in on that little wick there on the new candle, and it missed it.
Artlist IO.
So I'm just gonna now just wait for IB high here. I pulled that order after I missed it, so
Yeah, I'm just going to wait for a little bit of a pullback on ES. I don't know if it's going to pull back. This may just keep going up all day. That tiny little bit may have been the pullback for the next half hour.
well, I mean, the orders we got orders all the way up at 60, so and they
I
were
didn't even reopen my book map, so
oh yeah, you shut that down, right? Because it was a little
yeah, I wanted to reset it. It was acting all sorts of wonky on me.
We just printed a red ball at 48 there. How many contracts? 148
Music
contracts.
All right, I just went in with 2 minis on that, long on ES.
Very nice. I'm gonna wait for us to see if we can't get above the IB high here before I add, since I missed that pullback add. Would like to see a nice little closure up at the 50s. There you go. Nice,
Hey.
nice. Wishing I had that ad now. But we got to take that IB high, that 49.75.
See if it does.
Orders up at the 50, and then above that 52, 55, 58, 60.
Yeah, you think it's going to eat up those orders and keep going higher, or?
I mean, majority of the orders are above. I mean, we do have some down at 68.30 and 36, it looks like, ish.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, 36-ish, 30.
Pretty strong
60
rejection.
orders
off
down to
of, IBI.
25. Oh, shit. It stopped me out on that one.
Oh yeah.
I made 25 whole dollars on that trade.
Music licensing.
A little bit of green.
Yeah, I'm in my orders. I just got stopped out too. I made 50 cents. But I just literally.
Today I'm not looking to make any huge moves. It's the day after Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
I'm up $600 for the day, so
Yeah, I'm up
honestly, that's
150.
I'll take that as a gift on a day like today. I wasn't even really expecting to put in a trade.
Yeah.
I didn't think there was going to be a whole heck of a lot of movement.
Right. That fair value gap did hold pretty nice this morning. That one at 41.75 up to 42.50.
Reimagined.
2 candles in a row, and then that's when we got that nice green pop up. And then rejected off IB high though, so that's not great. I mean, it doesn't
watch
mean
this ES coming back down now.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Higher highs and higher lows since the open. I was going to say we're above midnight price, but midnight didn't happen. So,
Yeah.
what the hell is this here?
Reimagined.
Yeah, so when I got that news that I lost that lease, I was pretty sad. And then I was like, what are you being sad for? Shake it off. Just keep going. You just got to forget it and move forward, right? So
You're a smart guy. You're a good businessman. Don't worry about it. There's there'll be plenty of other opportunities and places where you can get set up.
yeah.
So I'm in long again on ES at 68.46.50. Just one mini.
Nice. 46.50, eh? Sweet.
Music licensing.
Every candle making big wig, Ronnie said.
I think he meant
Big
wick.
Oh yeah. I was like, yeah, yeah.
Pretty sure that's wick.
Yeah, I was like thinking like what does that
Big
mean?
wig.
And then I'm like, oh yeah, big wick. That makes sense.
Yeah, I've only got $200 worth of risk on this one, so
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
NQ's just not looking very happy. NQ, like, I mean, it is forming sort of like what I would say looks like a bull flag, sort of.
oh, so I should add another 5 minis onto this?
Of course, yeah. Sounds like something you do, not.
No, not.
Music
No,
licensing.
absolutely not.
But yeah,
I'm not adding minis on a red candle when I'm,
yeah.
right now underwater on this trade.
Russell's looking not very good either.
Who's Russell? Your boyfriend?
Yeah. M2K.
Artlist.io.
I was like just thinking about taking another trade in my because I took that trade, the one in bed this morning, on
Music licensing.
my TPT account, and I was like, I'm looking at the Dow, like this might actually be a low risk to reward kind of trade up here if it decides to continue pulling back here. But then
you
I'm
and
like,
Lance
well, I'm up
taking trades
99
from
bucks.
bed.
Huh?
You and
Yeah.
Lance taking trades from bed.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I
Hey,
just,
look at that. I'm up $25 now.
Sweet. Yeah, I saw it just kind of like rejecting off of like sort of the pre-market high there. Like we formed a pretty nice
Now, just so you know, now I'm adding to that trade.
Okay. Yeah, I was feeling like we are going to break the IB high there. I actually went in with one micro there on that. Pretty high entry though, actually, 48, 68, 48.
Music licensing reimagined.
A little bit of a risky one, but I'm only risking 2.5 points on one micro, so. Look out, gold future might get a big sell zone after the fib retracement. That's
That must
what
have been...
Ronnie said.
Oh, that's Ronnie.
Yeah.
It's like, that sounds like something Czar would say.
Yeah. Autocorrect sucks. I missed that comment. So obviously it did switch it to big wig.
Yeah, autocorrect is always messing up my messages.
You must be on your phone or something, or on an iPad though, because like my PC is not going to autocorrect anything I type.
Mine does.
Does it really? Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oof.
Price action slowing down a bit here. I tried to add there at 46.75 and it didn't work. So that's probably going to do what it did earlier and just keep going here. If we get up above 49, we're going to put my stop to break even here, or 0.25 into profit. Might risk getting stopped out, but since my entries is pretty high, I just kind of want to be conservative if I can. So
music licensing reimagined.
What, you're not going to just put it all on black today?
No. Maybe we need a little bit more of a active music to help us out here with this momentum.
I don't know if the music's going to help us.
Artlist.io.
So 2.75 points risk on one micro. So that's like 10, 50, like 12.75 or something risk.
That is a really tight stop loss.
Yeah, only 2.75 points. Basically, just hold. If it breaks the previous wick low, I'd be out.
Gotcha.
One tick lower than that previous wick. Come on, Randy B. What are you doing? Make us a green
candle. Not a whole hell of a lot of volume right now.
Yeah, it just really died off. They're going to lunch early today.
Everybody at the CME is playing cards.
Yeah. After they had that freak out night.
Yeah.
Right? They're probably all super stressed out today.
I was asleep, so.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty weird. I was like looking at it like, what's going on here? Why is nothing working right now? But I thought even gold wasn't moving. But is that CME also, or is that in the same status?
Yeah, COMEX.
Huh. But CME and COMEX is different though, right? Like I gotta subscribe to a different feed for Bookmap. Anyways.
It's a different data.
Okay. But probably in the same server location.
Yes.
Okay.
Same server location, same everything gets fed through the CME, but metals are separated from the indices. Hold on one second here. I'm gonna move my stop loss up now. My little 2-mini trade.
I actually added to that on that push up to 49, but it's didn't go anywhere.
Artlist.io.
So my average price is now 2 contracts at 48.50.
All right.
Come on, take that IB high here.
Artlist.io.
There we go. Come on, let's go. You can just take that IB high. I'm going to put my stop. 20.25 in profit. There we go. Taking it.
All right, I'm locking in $100 in profit.
Reimagined.
I'm just going to protect this position. It's pretty tight. But if I get stopped out, so be it. I'm expecting a Randy B candle here all the way through up to 55.
I can see it happening.
Just going to blast through those 200 orders above us.
Hey, if it does, I'll be really happy. I got 3 minis in this.
Ooh, nice.
Artlist.io.
I was thinking about picking up 150K test account from Lucid. This is the only thing I don't like about, like, I wanted to buy a test account from Top One, but then there's an activation fee. So, you know, it's like whatever the cost is, and then you got to pay like 100 something bucks more to get it activated. That kind of sucks. Whereas like Lucid is like, I can get it, and it's like automatically, here we go, boys.
Artlist.io.
There's your
Yeah,
Randy B
that-
candle coming up.
Get up through those to 55 here.
Still just have $100 locked in.
Yeah, me too. I'm just 0.25 in profit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Try to let this one ride a bit.
Yeah, if this does get up to the 55 level, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm thinking that too. That's kind of, I mean, there's orders up at 58 and 60, but
Yeah, I'm not
I'll be happy
risking it.
with 55.
Yeah.
Even 54 area.
If I hit 55, I'm up $1,000 on this account. So
Nice. I'll put my TP at
look at you
54.50 right in the middle here.
Artlist.io.
Well, we saw this coming, didn't we?
hey, every once in a while, we manage to call a good one.
Just got to take these orders up here. Don't just keep pulling back on us here.
Artlist.io.
It's because, well, NQ or YM's going a little sideways here, and NQ's now finally breaking out.
Just gonna add one
long as
mini
we-
to this.
Nice. As long as we hold IB high, I should be okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
Have my stop loss set at 125 in profit. So
Nice.
there's no risk on the table, and I'm just gonna sit here and wait.
My stop's $5 in profit.
That's $5 green.
Yeah, and it's a no risk trade, so it's kind of like,
Yeah, that's
what it
I
is.
like these. I do like these no risk trades,
for sure.
especially when I'm playing with 4 minis. Because if this does launch up on me, I'm gonna have a really good day.
Music
Actually, I'm gonna put in
licensing
a take profit for the first time in 6 months.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I got
I'm gonna do it at
54.50.
I'm gonna do it at 68.54.75.
All right.
Take profit on 2 of those minis. Leave 2 to run if it's gonna go.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
I am considering just taking one off here because we kind of are stalling out a bit, but
Just remember, you're in a no risk trade, so
Music licensing reimagined.
minute and 22 on this 5-minute candle here.
Well, let's see what it does.
I'm hoping for a nice body close up at like 52, 52.50. It'd be real nice. I would leave a nice strong looking candle. Ronnie said, I just made 500 on a 5K prop firm account with
Nice.
0.2, 0.3 lots gold.
Artlist.io.
Try Top Step once. Nice there, Ronnie. What's a 5K prop firm account?
I'm assuming if it's Top Step, it's one of the larger accounts with 5K in drawdown.
Okay.
Music licensing.
That's what I'm
reimagined.
assuming. I don't know for sure though. Ronnie will have to clear that up for us.
Yeah. Or is it
Yeah,
like
I
one
stopped
of the,
looking at all my prop accounts like as 50K or 100K or whatever they market it as, because they're not. It's not a 50K account. It's $2,000 in drawdown, and that's what you're trading with.
Yeah. 50K is just the name of
Yeah.
name of the account, but not the actual. Oh, jeez. Did that
All
stop
right.
it?
Well, I made my $250. How the hell did I make 200? Oh, I moved my stop loss up a little higher.
Yeah, it's a CFD account. That's what I was thinking. Like, it's a 5K is a CFD account funding pips.
Music
Yeah. Where are you
licensing
trading from, Ronnie?
reimagined.
Come on, guys. Let's hold this IB. Hold the IB high here. Pretty close to stopping me. Just hold it. There we go.
You still got some profit, right?
Yeah, I put in
Artlist.io.
$5 in profit on the 2 micros, and we held that nicely. There's a bullish fair value gap in there too. Actually, I never marked it out, but so we dipped a little over 50% into that fair value gap and held it. A little promising if we can't
Licensing
get a little
reimagined.
momentum.
Today is definitely my scalpy day. I
Nice.
just put in another 2 minis at 68.50.50.
Beautiful. Lafta said, hey Lafta, good morning. I love trading 15 NQ with the 2K accounts. I wonder why I blow them. Yeah. Yeah.
I wonder.
15 minis or 15 contracts at so to get 2K at a 10 point is 100 points, right? 100? No, 20 times 100. Yeah. 20 points.
Artlist.io.
Or what am I thinking here?
All right.
Oh,
I am
$20.
out of that.
Nice.
Okay, I'm closing down this account for the day.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next one. I think I'm going to trade a basket. Again, just keep it scalpy.
Trade a basket.
I'll be back.
case.
I got a little something I got to take care of here.
Okay. So we did print a 55 volume ball. Green one. Uh-oh. I got stopped out there.
Artlist.io.
Oh, that's too bad. Do have half a mind to re-enter here, though, actually. Oh, look at that, guys. That's too bad.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's too bad.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, I see my name in the duck race. Falling back pretty hard though.
Music
Stop loss
licensing
hit.
reimagined.
Aware Tilt X. Best viewer streambo.com.
Artlist.io.
21 seconds here on this candle. That's too bad. It had to pull back so far there. Stopped me out there. Now back up in profit nicely.
Artlist.io.
So we had a closure on the 30-minute right there, out above the
Reimagined.
IB high, which is usually a promising sign.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, Lafta. I didn't really know what happened until I got on this morning, and Nick was saying that the air conditioning system broke down, I guess, and so all the servers got too hot and they shut down. But yeah, it's like I was kind of like, I saw the market was open at 6 p.m. and then later when I was checking it out, I went back and I was like, why is nothing moving? I was like, and then it, you know, like on TradingView, there's a little like icon at the top you can mouse over and it says market open or market closed, and it said data issue. So I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. So
Music licensing reimagined.
is there any reward cap on these accounts? What do you mean by reward cap? Like, do you mean profit target or like the max? Oh yeah, like like a maximum withdrawal amount? That must be what you're asking, right? I think that they do have.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
I'll just look those up real quick for you here. Yeah, what's max profit withdrawal? Let's see here.
Music licensing reimagined.
What'd you do to these charts when I was gone?
Artlist.io.
Started pulling some strings. I got stopped out on that trade. I made $1.53. Actually, sorry, I lost $1.25, but I'm still up $1.53. So
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I switched over to micros after I did this because I'm trading a basket now.
yeah,
So I got 2 micros, MES at 68.50.75. Not sure how much I'm up, but set my stop loss down here at
Artlist.io.
68.45.
so Ronnie, for Lucid, it looks like it's 1,500 for the first payout, and then 2,000 and 2,500 for the following 2 payouts, and that's for a 50K account. And top one, I think, is pretty similar to that. I just can't seem to find it at the moment. But we can pop that open real quick here. Let's see. Where is that? This guy?
Artlist.io.
This pulls back a little bit. I'm going to add another 2 micros to it.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Getting up towards high a day, right?
Yeah, we are.
Couple of points. See if it breaks through it.
Artlist.io.
Why can't I find the? What am I looking at here? I'm trying to
All right.
talk to the support on talk to the bot real quick. Oh, look at that nice candle there. Beautiful.
Locking in 30 bucks in profit.
Licensing
Nice.
reimagined.
Times 30.
No, 25.
Okay.
Yeah, I've closed out a bunch of accounts. I took max payout on a few of them.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm just gonna basically be starting over again from scratch, taking a couple of test accounts
Yeah.
and doing it all over again. Restarting that 11-month journey into being
Music
profitable in
licensing
prop firms.
reimagined.
Just with everything going on right now, with all the these prop firms that have been failing and the rule changes and everything, I did not feel comfortable just leaving profit sitting in a prop firm
Yeah.
with that much uncertainty.
Artlist.io.
So the maximum withdrawal for top one futures on the 50K account is 2,500. Ronnie.
I cannot wait until Top One has their trade evade set up.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so Lucid is pretty good because it's a one-time fee, right? If you're gonna trade a test account, right, and then you don't have to pay the activation. But also, obviously, Top One Futures I mean, they're very similar companies. And if you go straight to funded, then you don't have to pay any activation fee. So,
You're doing pretty much all straight to fundeds too, aren't you?
well, I got 5 Lucid test accounts and 1 straight to funded, but my top 1 futures are usually straight to funded. Yeah. So an activation fee for all account sizes, including the 50K eval, is $149. So you got to consider that. That's one of the drawdowns, but I mean, I guess you get a bit of a better payout amount that you can take once you get into that funded account. Because like Lucid says, 1,500 for the first payout, then 2,000, and then 2,500 on a 50K. So you pay a little bit more, you get a better payout cap initially with top 1 futures. So they all kind of have, slightly different rules. So I think you get in on a 50K for around $100, and then you gotta pay the 149 activation. So you're looking at 250. So that's why I think most people just skip the evals on top 1 future, because it's like 300 something to go straight to funded. You just save all that time, right? So if you consider the activation fee, it's like not that much cheaper to go the evaluation account, right? So if you're going to go evaluation account, then I would say Lucid's probably the better way. But if you're going to go, straight to funded, then top 1's probably the better one, because like I said, you get a nicer payout, max payout amount that you can take out first.
Artlist.io.
And then I was thinking about buying a TPT account, but then they have an activation fee also right now. So they don't have that no fee 40 discount going on anymore. So I'm not going to get any accounts from them. So
that's a load of garbage.
Yeah.
I like that no fee 40 discount they had going.
Yeah.
All right, I just added another 2 micros onto that ES
Nice.
long.
Reimagined.
Oh
NQ's
no. What's that?
NQ's looking pretty strong.
Artlist.io.
I'm just taking a quick look at the NQ here. It looks like we got orders up at 440, 454, 455 area.
Music
All right, I'm out.
Reimagined.
Nice.
$55 on 25 accounts.
Beautiful. That's like
I
a
did
grand.
okay today.
55 times 20 is like $1,000.
Cool. So $1,000 on that basket.
Maybe like 1,100 actually, because 20 times the extra $5 too, right?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Gold gave you a 14% profit on your 5K account, Ronnie said.
Music licensing.
Gold's just ripping or what?
Reimagined.
Congratulations, though. Yeah, I need $249 to pass this last Lucid account here, or not my last, my leading Lucid account. Anyways, that'd be pretty sweet to have a second funded account with them.
And you can copy trade on Lucid, right?
Yeah.
I still haven't got a Lucid account yet.
You can copy trade up to. The rule is only on their funded accounts, so you can only copy trade on their platform up to five funded accounts. But there's no limit to how many test accounts you can have. But obviously, if you have too many,
if you had a full basket of past accounts, why would you have test accounts in the background?
Exactly.
Unless you were planning on taking full payouts on them and then just blowing them and restarting, but that seems kind of like a waste of time, right? Me.
Yeah, because then you got to pass the eval. So that's why I wasn't, I do have 6 accounts, right? So I technically, if I were to pass them all, but I would probably, because I have 2 accounts that are pretty, like, they're well behind because I started them so much later. And then what happened was Daniel had a free account and I ended up paying him crypto for it because he was in South Africa, so he can't trade it. So that's how I got the 6th account. So so I'll probably have to just like cycle a test account trade once in a while just to like keep it alive. while I copy trade, if I pass all 4 of the other ones or even 3 of the other ones, kind of idea, I'll just probably cycle trade just to keep those ones active.
Music licensing reimagined.
So on gold, we're bouncing off the New York again. Bounced off it at 42.32.
I'm searching Lucid Prop Firm and it's also search Lucid Trading. That's how you find it. And that's, if you scan the QR code on the screen there, that's a direct link to the Lucid there.
Yeah, you use Dave's discount code on that one.
Artlist.io.
Use my discount code on Traders Post. Use his on Lucid. Shameless plug. All right, Dave. Well, it is 11:17 a.m.
Yeah,
I've taken a whole bunch of trades and I'm green, so I am now officially done for the day.
Nice. Yeah, I got that feeling when I looked over and I saw you kind of leaning back in your chair, like, yeah, I think I'm leaning towards being done.
Yeah, it's a Friday. I'm green on a Friday. The bank holiday, it's a short trading day. There's only 1 hour left. Volume's decreased. And I'm green, so I'm not going to get greedy. I'm going to try and make an adult decision, and that's about it.
Makes sense.
So, adieu to you.
All right.
Thanks for anyone that's watching. I don't know who's watching because I don't have access to that. That's all Dave.
Music licensing reimagined.
If you go to the StreamYard and just mouse over the little eye icon, it tells you.
Yeah, I'm not doing that right now.
We got what is it? 14 in Randy's X, 8 in your X, 4 in my X, and then we got 3 in Randy's YouTube and 4 in my YouTube.
8 in my X.
Yeah. Yeah, usually you usually have more people in your X than I do.
I gotta see how many people are actually following me on X. I have no idea. Oh shit.
Got a nice amount.
137.
Nice.
All right. Ronnie's watching both of us. You
Music
creep.
licensing
You got it
reimagined.
you got it open.
He's creepy.
What
All
do
right,
I
man.
got? X here.
I'm getting the heck out of here.
I got 44
Go try and have
followers.
You what?
45. I have 45 on X. Mine's not
Yeah.
that popular.
I'm actually surprised I have that many.
Okay, Mr. Nick. Have a good one.
You do the same, and I will see you on Monday morning.
I'll be back Sunday live, but yeah, Sunday 6 p.m. I'll be back. But
I won't be on here Sunday.
maybe you'll be creeping from the outside telling me to act like an adult.
Maybe. It's been known to happen.
Yeah.
All right, Doc. I'll see you on Monday.
Yeah. So we got 1 hour left basically before the market closes. Looking like volume's dying down pretty big time right now. But I am looking at this fair value gap on NQ here as a possible entry.
Artlist.io.
So I'm in too long here on this pullback. Hopefully it doesn't continue on. I always forget when I'm in NQ, I need to give it a little bit more space.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll be pretty aggressive here. Hopefully we start bouncing up a bit, hold this fair value gap. So I'll be a little aggressive on trying to take some profit on this trade. Hopefully it holds here. $100K on a 50K account. Wow, like $100,000 profit on a 50K account. That's savage.
Music licensing reimagined.
Did print a green ball on this NQ here. Hopefully it holds here. This 25,413 area. I'm going to give this another 1.5 points. We got 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes on this candle. Let's see if we can't bounce up and hold this fair value gap, or might not. Risking about $40 in this trade on this single instant funded account from Top One.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, looking like it might stop me out here. See if it's going to hold this level or not.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it's going to stop us. Oh, edged me on that little move lower. Oh, there we go. It took us out. Okay, so down $45 on that. Unfortunately, that fair value gap did not hold. We do have one here a little bit lower that held earlier, so maybe I should have been looking at this one for the entry. Might take another little stab here. We're pretty close to that entry. Let's see if we can't hold this one instead. We did hold it twice there earlier. Or this might be a pretty strong sell-off here.
Music licensing licensing reimagined.
Sort of got like a minute and 20 left on this candle here. See if they aren't going to buy it up here in this last minute.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
"26 seconds here on this, so they're going to invert this guy for sure. Looking like. All right, Czar, have a good one.
Artlist.io.
Probably gonna set my TP up there. Still looking pretty heavy. Are they gonna hold this level or not?
Music licensing reimagined.
Wonder if they're gonna hold this or not. Slowed down in this level here. Might be getting stopped out again here. Sort of catching a fallen knife. Not a very good trades here right now. Definitely don't follow.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out right here. Yeah, we're out there. Okay, well, ended up giving back about 90 bucks on these two little trades here, trying to work these fair value gaps, but sort of catching a fallen knife here. Kind of falling down to the New York VWAP and the start of day VWAP. We were just looking so bullish all morning that I was like, these guys, one of these two fair value gaps are definitely going to hold, but looking like they're not. So yeah, ouch. That's all good. I mean, 91 bucks, that's pretty easy to recover. So all good. Back to previous day high and entering into the value area high.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, exactly. Trying to
Artlist
take
IO.
those. So I did take another attempt at it there. And now I'm back down to only down $7. And yeah, probably not going to take any more trades now.
Reimagined.
Guilty as served. Could have held it a little bit longer on that third entry there. But
Artlist
Oh,
IO.
don't know if I missed the next entry. Yeah, I did miss the next entry on this giveaway.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, these big body candles, you know, definitely I'd be looking at shorts right now if you're looking for any more continuation. But you know, it is Friday. I don't think we should be really taking more trades at this point. Don't want to give too much back, or maybe give back some of the profit. Looks like so. I'm up 47 in this guy, down 7 in this one, so up $40 basically in those, between those two accounts. And then I'm up in this account here, this take profit trader, I'm up 99. So small green day today. Pretty happy with that. 8:30 a.m. So we got about 45 minutes until the market closes. But yeah, this is, I mean, we've been waiting for some volatility, and then here we got it. But no guarantee what price is going to do at this point. This could be the lower high or the higher low. Yeah, higher low. So you've blown out most of your accounts on Friday? Like on most, like Fridays are your worst days to blow accounts, you mean? Fridays they typically are tough days, because not very often do we get like super clean trending days on Fridays, right? They kind of like, they like to turn on you real quick. Yeah, curse day, I'd say. Yeah, and you know, it has a lot to do with options, right? Because the options, you know, expire on Friday. So maybe they have like sort of spreads, and they need to like hold the price in a certain area. So they like let it go up, and then they pull it way down, and then they just kind of like let it end. You know, sort of the big players have incentive to close some of their trades to kind of get their options to be at the correct level, you know, for them to, yeah. So we got this guy's inverted now. So in theory, this could be a short entry, but you know, I'm not taking any more trades here, and I wouldn't, not financial advice or anything, but you know what? Let's go into, we got a practice account. We'll take one trade here with the practice account. We're pretty much right there. I'll just take a quick short position and see if this fair value gap ends up working. We'll target 15 points here on the downside. See if it wants to try to head lower here. But worst case scenario, we're gonna take a small loss on the practice account. So fake. It's most of the operators rule that the market more than retail traders. Yeah, of course, operators rule the market. Yeah, I mean, you know, when we're all on board to go long or to go short, it can pay off, right? But let's give this a little bit more space up there in case it decides to wick up on us. But yeah, this is just like a paper account. it's a practice account, so don't be following this trades. I'm only risking 17 points on the 10 contracts here, so a couple $100. This account was at 100,000 and I'm up like 6,500 currently. But looking like that fair value gap's not holding. So again, these fair value gaps are not very valid today. They're not working that good. We do have 36 seconds here, so it might be okay. But looking pretty strong, actually, forming those wicks. I just wanted to see if this would work here. Looking like it's going to re-invert this inverted fair value gap. Re-invert the inverted fair value gap. Oh, now that fair value gap's holding to the bullish side.
Artlist.io.
Since it is a practice account, I'm gonna like give it a lot more space. And wait, and stopped. Let's just let this one play out since it's
Music licensing
let's look at a different time frame here too. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap there on that in this level right there. Yeah, right now, so if you go take Profit Trader account and you buy their test account, then you got to, there's a couple negatives about that. One is yeah, so one is you got to buy the account, and then if you don't pass it in a month, you're gonna have to renew it with that same cost that you entered into. Like, so if it's like $170 to get the account, you gotta basically pay it in a month if you don't pass it. And then they also have an activation fee there currently. So when I picked up my Take Profit Trader accounts, they had a discount, no fee 40, so it's a 40% off and no activation fee. But that, from what I saw yesterday, it's not active anymore. That that activation fee is still there. So in my mind right now, it's not really worth it to be taking any of those accounts. I'd be waiting for a no fee 40 or something like that to happen again. So you can go straight to funded, I think, or can you go with straight to funded with those guys? Where is it here?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I don't even think you can go straight to funded with them. You have to go through the evaluation process. So Take Profit Trader is not on my list right now of what I want to buy. I think it's got to either be a straight to funded with Top 1 Futures or the Lucid test accounts, because you can still get those cheap, and it's a one-time fee for Lucid, right? So if you go Lucid, it's a one-time fee. You don't have, and you pass the test account, you don't have to pay an activation fee. So either straight to funded with Top 1 or a test account with Lucid would be my options, as if I was going to go buy something right now. Top 1 Futures does have 57.5% discount. So 57.50% off, which is pretty good. If you wanted to pick up a straight to funded, or like I said, the Lucid accounts are pretty cheap. So if you go with a 50K test account, it's about just a little over 100 US, like maybe 109 or something. And then, like I said, no activation fee. So that's pretty dope. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna add 10 there. Like I said, don't follow this trade. This is purely a paper account. So I'm risking to like maybe about, what is 26 times 20 is it's about $1,500 if this goes all the way to my stop right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Type Luna. NQ's looking pretty strong currently. Found a bottom there and ripping. So the idea behind my long earlier was okay. Just like I said, you gotta have huge stops on NQ, and then obviously the entry wasn't great. So but if you pass this test account, you still get a live account, right? To get a payout from it. Are you're talking about Lucid?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, if you get the Lucid test account and you pass the Lucid test account, it puts you to a sim funded account, or what's called a Lucid Direct account. And then that's the one where you take the payout from. It's just like a cheaper route to get to that, you know, right? It's like 109 versus if you go to their Lucid Direct, I think it's like 330 or something for a 50K account kind of idea. So, oh, top one futures. Oh, sorry guys. Sounds like the building alarm fire alarm was going off there for a second. So top one futures, again, if you buy their evaluation account or their sort of like test account, you pass that, then there's an activation fee. So yeah, so it's like $109 to get in, and then you pass that account, there's an activation fee of $150. That'll get you into like a sim funded account, right? And then that sim funded account is the one where you can take the payouts from. So so I'll show you here on there. So the elite challenge count here is there, you know, it's 209. So you can take 50, sorry, on this guy, 105. So if you take that over 55% off or whatever, so it's going to be like $50 to buy the elite challenge, but then you're going to have to pay $150 to get it to instant funded, right? So if you do that, you'll get to the instant funded. Instant funded is like, you know, worth about 300. So I guess you're still saving $100 if you go that route. But I usually just go straight to instant funded on my top one futures, and that's, you know, $679 and currently 55 or 57% off right now. So that would be $320 to get to the instant funded, and that's the level that you need to be at to get a payout. They do have this straight to funded Sim Pro account, but this one has like intraday trailing drawdown, and you can take payouts from that also. And then the Ignite is also you can get payouts from, but this one has a like smaller amount of drawdown for the same size account, and then the take profit, like the maximum profit that you can withdraw, is lower. So I think it's like 1,500 or something for the 50K account, whereas instant funded 50K account you can take out 2,500. So yeah, so they have three options for sim funded accounts where you can take payouts. But if you, yeah, like I said, if you go with the challenge account, then you're gonna have to just pay that $150 activation fee to turn it into a sim funded account.
Artlist.io.
So yeah, you do save a little bit of money in this route, but you got to pass the evaluation, right? So let's see, how's this? Oh days, it almost hit our TP there.
Reimagined.
I should have been watching. Not that it matters. Like I said, it's just a paper account, so this one doesn't matter. So if you take 3 payouts from like an instant, a sim funded account, once you take 3 payouts, they're going to try to move you to a live account. So, and if you're from India, I don't think you can. You don't want a live account, right?
Artlist.io.
So just keep that in mind, is that you can only get 3 payouts before they would possibly move you to a live account. And from when I was reading those rules about India, you can't trade a live account in India, right? So you'd have to burn those accounts after your 3rd payout or whatever, right? Because that's what I'm trading here is these are those 50K instant funded accounts. So I paid, 300, roughly 300 and something for this account, US. You bought your funded future at $55 test account, passed it, and got a payout from the sim funded without an activation fee. Yeah, so that's a pretty good deal, definitely a pretty good deal. I think Lucid is pretty similar, but so Lucid has a little bit less strict. After 4 payouts, it's live funded now. Oh, nice. So are you allowed to trade live funded in India? Because I thought that you can't trade live accounts by the rules, like the Indian government's rules, from what I was reading the other day. So for Lucid, if you did go the test account and pass it, I think it's 109, but there's no fees on top of that. And then all you have to do is get your buffer taken care of. So anything over 2100, you can withdraw from that account as long as you had 8 trading days. Okay, so that's live funded in India. Nice. Cool.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Trade with Ditto 1.
Artlist.
I just figured I'm in this giveaway here. You can see my name, Dave Butcher, there. So You can use prop firm in India, but can't use native currency for trading forex. And there's no such regulated broker in India except for XNES and XM. Okay. Just gonna do another pinwheel here. Let's see if I can't get free account. Oh, there's my name. Oh, I just passed it. That was pretty close. Banu won. That was pretty close. I was 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 away from winning that one.
Music licensing reimagined.
Luna looks zoned out there. Hey, Luna trades there. He's just like, he looks pretty zoned out right now. He was just staring at the screen, just like, Let's see if we can win a duck race here, guys. This is the last giveaway.
Artlist.io.
So definitely, if you want to like kind of compare some prop firms, this prop firm match is a good one to look at. You can kind of like check a bunch of different prop firms, see who's got good deals and stuff.
Artlist.io.
And then the guy on the bottom there, Zach Arbucci, is he's from ASFX TV. That's where I've seen him. So I've been trading with him on and off for a long time. I just kind of like joined their stream, and he's got a really good insight. He's like an ICT trader. So, Mushroom's gonna win.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, about prop firm match? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's kind of like they only put on reputable companies though, so it's good. So it's like these companies kind of have to be around for a while to get onto their website also. So so you can pretty much trust anything that you see on there for the most part. I'm gonna add another 10 there. YOLO in the paper trading account here. Don't follow these trades. This is not a
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah. If you they give a number of accounts away every day, but you got to join their Discord, and then they put it out there. Okay, well, type this word in the Discord kind of thing, and then that's how you get your entries. So you got to join their Discord. They have a little bit of a authentication process that they put you through, but yeah. So looking like we might end up getting stopped out here on this paper trade account. Let's degen it. I'm gonna just put the stop up there now. Don't do this. And I would never trade my normal accounts like this, but like what the heck, right? Might as well. And we'll even add here too. I think I can get up to 100 contracts short with this paper account. So let's just degen YOLO it up here, try to get a better average price. This is exactly what you don't want to do though. Sounds like Indian government wants to suppress any type of money making venture. They love to keep the people poor. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, or they just don't want the money. They don't want their money to leave the country, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so looking like we're gonna get stopped out here, even though I moved our take profit or our stop loss even higher here. Maybe we got to go up to 44.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's get right up to the 10 contracts here. Up to 100 contracts here. Short. And then we can bring our TP down here to sort of the low of this candle here. I know Canada and India relations are getting a little bit better recently. No, they need tax from unregulated businesses of India. Oh, okay, gotcha. That's why they put those rules in place. Not so much that they're trying to hold down the people, but the government, more the government's trying to collect more taxes so that they can, you know, keep their government afloat, right? The government's gotta always collect those taxes. Yeah, I guess because a lot of these prop firms are in other countries, right? So they're not going to meet the same regulations as like that India is going to have.
Artlist.io.
So we're in max contracts here on this paper trade account. So I think if we end up getting into profit here, we'll just bring our stop down and stop it out because it is looking pretty bullish. So might end up ripping up right now and stopping us out. Like that would probably be like a $5,000 loser at this point. What is it? 25 times 20, so 500,000 times two. Yeah, it's like a $5,000 loser or more. I'm just getting a phone call here, guys. I'm just going to mute my mic for a second.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry about that. I'm back here. What time do we got? We got 3 minutes here. We'll probably end the stream here, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I did close that trade up 571 as it just kind of pulled back. Like I said, it's looking pretty bullish. So this was all these ads were just trying to not lose any money out of my fake account. So that's exactly like how to not trade though. So use that as an example of how to not trade and how you can get lucky and then get rewarded for doing a stupid trade and then think that you can get away with it again, and next time it won't work, right? So Lafta said, I know a software engineer from India now working in the Silicon Valley making 50K per month. Wow. Instead of living in India and making 200 per month. Suppression of wages is bad. Wow. Yeah, that's substantially different, right? Like you're saying he was making $200 per month in India, but in Silicon Valley he's making 50,000 a month. Yeah, I would say that's quite the discrepancy, hey?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, exactly. This is how you don't want to trade. Just use this as an example of how you don't want to trade. Like you shouldn't be adding to something that's going against you like that. So, but like I said, that was a practice account, so no money on the line, just for fun, just to do something on the stream while we're waiting.
Artlist.io.
Don't do what I do what I say, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, you got green earlier. Yeah, same here, left. I'm up $150 between my Take Profit Trader account and my my Top One Futures instant funded account. So small green day, but hey, it's the end of the month basically. Or do we have one more day to trade? Monday, or is it?
Music licensing.
No, the end of the month is on Sunday. So I will have one more trading day. So I'll probably take some trades on Sunday, but I'll be keeping it small. Currently up 5,400 on this month. So yeah, that's where we're at. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here to you guys. Market's gonna be closed in 15 minutes anyways. So if you're in any of your prop firm account trades, definitely close those trades out, because you gotta.
Artlist.io.
You don't want to break any rules. You could end up losing an account over that. So. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, Ronnie. Thanks for obviously Nick was here earlier. Keith was here early in the morning, but he's probably working. Oh, my dad said hi, good morning. This also, I missed that. So my dad was here first thing in the morning. So
music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, thanks, Ronnie. I'll be back 6 p.m. East Coast on Sunday for the Sunday session. So maybe I'll see you then. If not, we'll be back again live on Monday morning. So. Appreciate you guys. Have a good weekend. And yeah, we'll see you on the next stream that I see you. Okay. Peace, everybody. Take care.